Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So in the last video, we have understood about the BJT current mirror circuit. So in this video, we will learn about the MOSFET current mirror circuit, right? I will run the simulation and I will show you the behavior of current mirror circuit by using MOSFET. Okay, how you have set the reference current and how your current is being constant. Okay, so as you can see here, there is a two n channel MOSFET M1 and M2. Okay, so these are the two n channel MOSFET, and let us say supply for both n channel MOSFET is 12 volt. Here you can see V2 is 12 volt and V1 is 12 volt. So I would say this is your, since the drain of this M1 is shorted to the gate of this M1 and M2, hence this is your reference current flowing through MOSFET M1. And here let us see if your current remain constant throughout your, if you are changing your load, right? So this is the objective. The current flowing through this MOSFET M1 is remain constant. It should remain constant, and let us vary the resistance value of R1 and see the behavior if if your current is same in this branch. That means if your current flowing through the MOSFET M2 will remain same the current flowing through the MOSFET M1, right? So this is the objective here to understand. So let me run the simulation. So go at simulate, edit simulation command, and here you have to set the transient analysis transient, and the stop time is 100 millisecond. So just click it OK. So then you can see here is appearing dot tran 100 millisecond. Then what you will do now, you run the simulation. So go at this button, this is run button. So you can see two window, one is for circuit and one is for simulation. So go at window, tile window vertically. Maybe you arrange a bit of your circuit for proper visibility, right? So here we go. I will divide the simulation window in two waveforms, right? The first is for reference current, and the second is for current flowing through this MOSFET. Okay, so I will add two plot pane. So this is for, let me add some label here. So let us say this is IREF, this is IREF. Okay, so this is your reference current flowing through here. So this is your IREF, and let us say if you want to check the current flowing through here, this is, let's say, I R1 current flowing through this resistance or this MOSFET. I would say it is IR1, right? So let me show you the current flowing through this R2, that is I reference, and you can see IR2 is 92 milliampere, right? Your IR2 is 92 milliampere, and let me show you the current flowing through this resistance IR1. So here you can see this is also 92 milliampere. That means your reference current flowing through this MOSFET M1 or this resistance I2 is 92 milliampere, right? So this is your reference current IR2, and this is your varying current. If you change load here, or if you change the R1 value, let us see the behavior of current flowing through this IR1. Okay, so let me reduce the resistance value. That means 160 to 60R. Your current should be double. Let us see the behavior. That means you're reducing the your resistance value. What does it mean? It means that you are increasing your load value, and once you increase your load value, let us see what is happening here. Your current is remain constant. It is 92.2 milliampere. Let me further change it to 30 ohm. So what Let me run the simulation again, and you can see you are seeing a constant current flowing through this resistors. Because of that, this reference current is 92.2 milliampere, and it is adjusting the current flowing through this IR1. Even though if you are increasing the load value, that means you are reducing the resistance value. Let me uh, write it here, 1 ohm. That means now per calculation the current should flow is 12 divided by 1 ohm. That means 12 ampere, but it shouldn't happen. So now I will double the resistance value, this R1, to 240 ohm. That means now for this time let us see the behavior of current flowing through this R1. So what happens is I have doubled the resistance value. Now in this case, you can see your current flowing through this resistance IR1 is 49.94 milliampere. That means this time you have increased resistance value. That means you reduced your load value. So in such cases, this constant current concept doesn't work. But this current mirror concept only works if you increase the load current further to your reference current. So this reference current, so it try to adjust the it tries to adjust the current flowing through R1 to the reference current, that is I reference. Okay, so hope you understand the concept for MOSFET current mirror. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.